Welcome back to Sabby's Delics. Today we are making one of the most loved snacks right from your kitchen on a budget. Spring rolls born in China over 1,000 years ago to celebrate the fresh harvest. Crispy on the outside, bursting with colorful veggies inside. A symbol of prosperity and a new beginnings. And today we are keeping that tradition alive with our own fresh, vibrant vegetables wrapped in homemade sheets rolled to perfection and fried until golden. One bite and you will taste the joy of spring itself. Let's make this irresistible vegetable spring rolls together. Here I've assembled all my vegetables. Of course, we're making spring rolls and we have to get some spring onions and some garlic, bell pepper, green and red, some fresh French green beans, carrots, and some cabbage. Of course, it's the one dominating here. Some coriander leaves or Dania. All the ingredients and their exact measurements are listed in the description box below. I will start by prepping all my vegetables. I'm going to thinly chop them. My recipe calls for simple, local, available ingredients. I know you already have them in your kitchen. Did you know spring rolls have history as colorful as their fillings? Over 1,000 years ago in ancient China, farmers celebrated the spring festival with a feast of fresh vegetables, finally enjoying the first harvest after a long cold winter of eating preserved food. Cooks wrapped finely chopped seasonal vibrant veggies in the thin wheat sheets, rolled them up like a golden scrolls, and fried them until they gleamed. They call them spring rolls, a tasty symbol of prosperity and fresh beginnings. And just like that, the spring rolls were born. Over the time, the recipe traveled across Asia, picking up new flavors and fillings. But the art of it, celebrating fresh vegetables, remained the same. So, whenever you think of hosting, party, or you want to celebrate anything new in your life, forget about the store-bought rolls. And don't hesitate to make these simple, fresh, homemade spring rolls with locally available ingredients. And they are budget friendly. And be sure of grabbing all the blessings, prosperity, and good fortune. Don't say I didn't tell you. So, if you want to know how everything is put together, watch this video up to the end and you will gain something out of this tutorial and you'll make yourself tasty, crunchy spring rolls at home. Guys, thanks for stopping by, and if you're clicking my video for the first time, feel most welcome. You are on the right channel. This is the home of delicious meals, and if you like this kind of content, kindly consider subscribing, hit that notification bell for more amazing recipe, and don't forget to like and share this video. And you can save this video too so that you can come back and watch it later whenever you are ready to try it. And watch this video up to the end so that you don't miss each and every step if you really want to know this recipe. Once done prepping the veggies in a hot wok or saucepan, add a little oil and let it heat. Then add crushed garlic and toss it in a medium heat. Let it sizzle until fragrant, then add your finely chopped vegetables. I will add first my French green beans and carrots since they're the ones which will take time to soften, though I don't want them to get soft, and stir them a little. Then I'm going in with all my seasoning, garam masala, black pepper and turmeric and salt. Then I'm going to stir fry it before going in with my other vegetables, and cabbages will be last. Adding in spring onions, the white part, and give it a good stir. Then go in with all the bell peppers. You can use any vegetables of your choice, and at this point ensure your heat is on high flame. I would recommend use a light wok to help dry out the moisture that the vegetables are releasing. Going in with the cabbages, Then give it a good mix until everything is nicely combined and stir fry it until it's almost tender. We don't want them soggy, and at this point I'm going to add in some soy sauce and ketchup. Stir it continuously until everything is well cooperated. Next, mix some cornstarch with water and ensure it's nicely mixed. Then add it into your vegetables. This will soak up the excess moisture released by the veggies. Stir it in, and once you've seen all the moisture as dry, go in with your green spring onions and Dania stem. Then give it a quick stir. At this point, our veggies are ready. We don't want them soggy, just slightly cooked with crunch. At this point, turn off your stove. My vegetable fillings is nicely done, so colorful and flavorful with crunch. I will garnish it with some coriander leaves, give it a stir and set aside to cool completely before wrapping. And it's time to wrap our spring rolls. I'm using my homemade fluffy, flexible and smooth spring rolls wraps. The recipe of these spring roll wraps is on my playlist, and I will share the link on the description box. Just take some flour and mix with water to make a paste which we are going to use to seal our roll. Now take one wrapper, place it on your work surface horizontally like this. Scoop a spoonful of veggies filling, place it at one end, then take that end of the leaf and cover the fillings, then push it backward to ensure it's nicely placed. Then fold in both sides and roll tightly. Apply paste in the remaining leaf and seal it so that it doesn't open while frying. Roll it tightly to ensure it's well sealed. I will demonstrate again with another leaf. Suppose that one went so fast. Just check on this keenly. Just repeating the same process. Pushing the vegetables backward to hold in place, then folding both sides and rolling, then applying the paste on the remaining leaf, then rolling it up tightly. And this will continue until all my spring rolls are done. Guys, I hope at this point you've given me a thumbs up, and I'm here again pleading with you people. If you've reached up to this point, kindly watch the video up to the end. Help me get monetized. I'm unable to reach 4,000 watch hour. If you can like and engage me in the comment section, it will enable the algorithm to push this video to more audience. Thank you, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly consider subscribing if you like what you're seeing. Once all my spring rolls are perfectly wrapped, then it's time to fry them. Heat oil in a pan on a medium heat. Carefully place in your rolls and fry until golden and crispy. Turn them gently from time to time to enable them cook evenly. Once they have turned nicely golden brown and crispy, then it's time to remove them from the hot oil. Using a skimmer, scoop them from the hot oil and allow the oil to drip. Then place them on a plate with paper towel to drain the excess oil. And there you have it, hot, crispy, golden vegetable spring rolls ready to serve. The aroma here is so heavenly. Let's see how inside looks. Look at it, very colorful, and the vegetable is not soggy and not oily. These spring rolls are perfect as a tea time snack, party starter, or even packed lunch. Try it out and let me know how yours turn out in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you have not yet subscribed for more simple and delicious recipes every week on Sabby's Delics. I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.